Welcome to the Mount Washington Valley. I'm Amy Quigley. We need your help. North Conway has been selected by Native Eyewear as one of 5 Mountain Town finalists for the annual Locals Only project. Vote for our town on Native's Facebook page now through March 8th. There's a link from the Mount Washington Valley Chamber's Facebook page and also Native Eyewear's page. Click on the Locals Only project to learn more. Sunday the 23rd brings the much anticipated 25th annual Mount Washington Valley Ski and Snowshoe Foundation's Chocolate Festival. Cross-country ski, snowshoe, or drive from end to end along the 45-kilometer trail network while sampling decadent chocolate. MWVskitouring.org has the details. Shawnee Peak has many events in February. On the 20th, Family Fun Day has kid-oriented activities. Saturday the 22nd brings the Moonlight Charity Challenge in support of kids fighting cancer and blood disorders. Also on the 22nd, it's the Couples Olympics. For event details, head to ShawneePeak.com. Jackson Ski Touring has some fun weekly events. On Fridays, including February 21st and 28th at 1 p.m., try Friday gliders with a 2-hour ski classical technique session followed by refreshments and socializing. Also on Fridays at 3:30, the Touring Center has hands-on waxing demonstrations. Join Attitash on Sunday the 22nd in the fight against breast cancer as they raise money in the You Go Bro Race event. Half of the proceeds benefit Jen's Friends Cancer Foundation, a nonprofit providing support for cancer patients. If you plan on heading to Attitash or Wildcat this season, all lift tickets, season passes, and cards are valid at both resorts, and the Vertical Value Card allows savings of up to 50% on lift tickets to both areas. Bartlett's Bear Notch Ski Touring offers classic New England skiing with the experience starting out of the center's 200-year-old farmhouse. The family-owned and operated center offers ski and snowshoe rentals and lessons for advanced and novice enthusiasts. Black Mountain celebrates February vacation with live entertainment every day in the Lost Bow Pub. And on the 22nd, the resort hosts a ride and ski party with live music, prizes, and giveaways all day long. For the adults, it's a Sam Adams promotion, and on Sunday the 23rd, Tuckerman's has a promo in the pub. Bretton Woods hosts Family Fun Week from February 23rd through March 2nd with activities day and night. And there's just over a week to enter to win a ski vacation at the lodge with 39 friends over St. Patrick's Day weekend. Sign up for the resort's e-club newsletter by March 1st to get entered. And cross-country skiers, mark your calendar. At Bretton Woods on March 8th, it's the Geschmassel, the longest-running citizens race in New Hampshire, a great classic ski event. If the U.S. Gold in the first ever Olympic slopestyles has you interested, Cranmore will host its own slopestyle, Jibbin for Jen, supporting Jen's Friends Cancer Foundation at 1 p.m. on the 22nd. Also on the 22nd, Cranapalooza has a slew of family activities, concluding with fireworks at 6:30 p.m. Cranmore.com has the event details. Great Glen Trails has a moonlit snowshoe tour on Saturday the 22nd with an AMC naturalist. These nighttime tours do fill up, so call for a reservation. If you can't make the nighttime excursion, Great Glen offers skiing with a naturalist on Sunday the 23rd, allowing for an inside view of the area's ecosystem. February brings festivities to King Pine. On February 20th, a gold rush puts candy and goodies all over the Pokey Pine Trail. And if your February vacation starts the weekend of the 22nd, King Pine hosts its annual overnight ski and snowboard camp from the 23rd through the 28th. Toco.com has the details. And that's all for this week's Mount Washington Valley Update. Until next time, I'll see you on the slopes. And don't forget to vote for North Conway and Native Eyewear's Locals Only project.